Hey guys, Gary here. Today we're going to show you how to wire a porcelain socket.
Here's a list of things you'll need. Remember, always consult an electrician before starting a project involving electricity. Place your clear cord grip onto the cord, then take your porcelain socket cap and place that on next. Now bend your wires into a hook. The black wire goes to the gold screw, the white wire goes to the silver screw, and the green wire goes to the green screw. Loosen up the screws. Place the wire underneath the screw with the hook end facing clockwise. This makes it easier for when you're tightening down the screws so that the wire does not slip out. Now this can be tricky, so give it some time and a little bit of effort. Place the porcelain cap onto the socket. Use the two screws and place them in the socket in the designated holes. Tighten these down and you're set. Now place your cord grip into the cap and tighten. Now place the set screw into the cord grip to secure the wire into the socket. And there you go, you're all done.
Make sure to check out our other videos at colorcord.com.